This video shows how to make a spiced blood orange soda and a spiced blood orange gelee. To make an all-natural spiced blood orange soda syrup, use a sharp vegetable peeler to remove most of the outer peel or the zest from 4 blood oranges, avoiding the white bitter pith beneath the zest, and add it to a small bowl. You should have about 35 grams. Then cut away the peel and slice the fruit into a uniform thickness before adding them to the bowl with 2 allspice berries and 6 cardamon pods, which adds a spicy citrusy mint flavor. Then split and scrape the seeds from a nice plump vanilla bean and add them to the bowl with 75 grams of dark brown sugar. Then add the mixture to a food saver or Ziploc style bag and cook the syrup in a water bath heated to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Transfer to an ice bath to cool and then store the sealed bag in the refrigerator overnight to allow the flavors to develop together. Then strain through a fine mesh sieve and measure an ounce or 30 milliliter shot of syrup and pour it over ice. Then mix in about 90 milliliters of soda water, which is a 3-to-1 soda water to syrup ratio or to taste. Stored in the refrigerator, the syrup will keep for about a week. To make a gelee from the syrup, first bloom a sheet of gelatin in a bowl of cold water. Then measure 30 milliliters of syrup or a 1-ounce shot into a 4-ounce mason jar and place it in a shallow pot with water hot enough to melt the gelatin. Then add boiling hot water over the syrup to just below the rim, and when the gelatin is soft, squeeze out the excess water and mix it into the syrup until the gelatin is dissolved, which is when the mixture reaches a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then transfer the jar to the refrigerator to set the gelatin for at least 2 hours, but longer is better. The gelee is fun eaten directly out of the jar, but you can release the jelly onto a plate shortly after the jar is dipped into hot water. Then for a plated presentation, add blood orange segments and top with pineapple and pomegranate molasses and a sprig of mint.